Hello, I'm Samya. The passage that has been provided to us is, and now the question. The children felt that nature would be affected if they were to die because. Now, for the solution, let us check out the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, for, said they, the birds are the children of the flowers, and the little playful streams that gambol around down the hillsides are the children of the water, and the smallest bright specks playing at hide and seek in the sky all night must surely be the children of the stars, and they would be all grieved to see their playmates, the children of men, no more. Now, here we can clearly see that the children suppose the nature's kids or the children as their companion, and therefore we can say option number 2, which says they viewed everything in nature to be their friends and felt the same should be true for nature, is the correct answer. Option number 1, nature needs human to maintain the ecological balance, does not fit with the passage and therefore it is incorrect. Option number 3, they were children who viewed everything as their companions. This indeed is true, but we cannot say that it makes the same impact that option number 2 does. Therefore, it is incorrect. Option number 4, they knew that everything in nature has a life and they could connect with this life, which is indeed incorrect as this is not the reference what the passage is conveying, and therefore option number 4 is incorrect. The answer is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Samya. The passage is, and now the question. What is the significance of the ritual of the siblings of noting one particular star every night? For the solution, let us check out the options. Option number 1, it shows that they used to be together all the time and hence were very close. Here, it does show that they were very close, but they didn't used to be together all the time is this reference what the passage is trying to convey, and therefore we can say that option number 1 is incorrect. Option number 2, it shows that the star was brighter and more special than all the others. Here, the reference to the star being brighter and more special than the other has been shown, but we cannot say that this was the main significance of the ritual, and therefore option number 2 is incorrect. Option number 3, it shows that the siblings had things which only they shared and used to be together all throughout, thus making them very close. Now, if we look through the passage, in the paragraph number 3, they were making a game in which whoever saw it first cried out, I see the star, and therefore it shows us that they shared a special bonding which only they shared and used to be together all throughout, thus making them very close. And therefore we can say that option number 3 indeed seems like a very logical correct answer. Option number 4, the siblings did not have any other companions except themselves, and hence they were very close to each other as they were practically together all the time. Now, we see the siblings used to think as the nature's children as their companions, and therefore we cannot say that option number 4 is the logical correct answer, and therefore we can say that option number 4 is incorrect, leaving us with the correct answer, which is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Samya. The passage is, and now the question. Later in the passage, the boy is said to be standing alone by the window. This signifies now. For the solution, let us check out the options. Option number 1, that he and his sister were not on talking terms anymore. Now, we can clearly see that later in the passage, in the last few paragraphs, the brother and the sister's bonding was shown because the sister he considered as an angel, and therefore we cannot say that they were not on the talking terms, and we can say therefore that option number 1 is incorrect. Option number 2, his sister had gone away somewhere to study. Here in the passage we cannot see that there was any reference about this, and therefore option number 2 is incorrect. Option number 3, his sister had passed away. Now, in the last few paragraphs, here it has been seen that he had considered his sister as an angel lingering around that star they used to share together. Therefore, we can make a reference that his sister is indeed had passed away. Option number 3 is correct. On the other hand, option number 4, they were grown up now and was now married, is a wrong answer. And therefore, we can say that the only logical answer to this question is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Samya. The passage is, and now the question. The boy dreams of his sister being an angel and residing in the one star that they shared. The significance of this is, now, for this question, let us check out the 8th paragraph. His sister's angel lingered near the entrance of the star and said to the leader among those who had brought the people thither, "Is my brother come?" And he said, "No." Now, we can clearly see that here that the boy used to think that his sister was so good that she belonged among the angels. Now, let us check out the options. Option number 1 says, the boy felt that the only place that could have the same importance in his sister's life as his own could be that star. Now, we can say that this was indeed what the boy used to feel, but this was not the reference we can deduct out from the passage, and therefore option number 1 cannot be the correct answer. Option number 2, the boy felt that his sister was so good that she could only be an angel, and the only befitting her presence would be the one they shared. Now this seems like a correct answer, but let us check out the other options as well. Option number 3, the boy felt that his sister was so good that she could only be an angel, and the only star befitting the presence of such good people could be the one they shared. Now, the option number 2 and 3 seems like a same answer, and therefore, here we can feel that there is a confusion. Option number 4 says, the boy felt his sister to be good enough to be an angel, longing for him as he longs for her, and could be in a special place that they shared amongst them. Now, we can clearly see that here, the girl or the sister is longing for him as he longs for her in the 8th paragraph, where she asks, "Is my brother come?" Now, we can clearly state that by this particular reference, option number 4 make all the other options lose their charm, and therefore we can say that 2 and 3 option is incorrect. Option number 4 being the most relevant option in this state, and therefore we can state that option number 4 therefore is correct. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Samya. The passage is, and now the question. The last paragraph talks of the child wanting to go to that star, to be with his sister, and feeling as if he was not meant to be here on earth. This implies. Now, for the solution, let us check out the options. Option number 1 says that the boy wanted to die. Here, there is no reference that shows that the boy literally wanted to die, and therefore we cannot say that option number 1 is correct. Option number 2, that the boy wanted to be a space traveler and go to the star to meet his sister. Here, it is absolutely incorrect as there has been no reference in the passage. Therefore, option number 2 is incorrect. Option number 3, that the boy did not feel a sense of belongingness towards his life here on earth. Now, we can clearly see that he did not belong to earth alone, but to star too. Therefore, we can say that a sense of belongingness to earth and star was there, and therefore option number 3 is irrelevant. Option number 4, on the other hand, says that the boy did not realize the significance of death and longed to be with his sister wherever she was. Here, option number 4 makes a very remarkable and the true realization. Here, the boy did not knew what the death was, and he so longed for his sister that he wanted to go to her, which is the absolute truth, and therefore we can say that option number 4 is the one which is the correct answer. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.